Well, I said I wasn't going to video this, but why not? You can see right here where the pinch welds for the rear shelf for the seat is actually rusted. The undercoating popped off under it and allowed salt and other stuff from its life up north to be able to penetrate there and rust it away. So we've got from about right here all the way to here that has eroded. It hasn't completely separated, but there's enough damage there that it's going to be a problem. So I may make a patch, bend it, and attach it to the front of the shelf right here, weld it in. We need to get some of these wires out of the way, remove this grounding point here, and I'm not even going to grind any of this down yet. I'm just going to take the cutoff wheel and probably just cut right across the edge up to here, and then I'm going to try to leave some of this lip here to attach to help support it, but I'm still going to have to grind on this face and weld across.
Seconds later.
So that is a lap joint. The floor pan goes up right about where the crease is right here. It's overlapped pinch weld. So there's actually another piece right here. This rolls down and under. Actually, it looks like this is just tacked on top of it. So I think if I just grind this paint off right here, I can make a bracket, an angle, and roll it down, roll it over to match the contour of the pan right there. Just got to get all this asphalt coating off. You don't want to leave that on there, or it will clog this thing up as soon as you hit it, and then you'll have to toss it in the trash. So I'm going to spend a little time scraping that off, and then I'll come back. Pretty ugly. But it'll hold.